In a startling revelation, scientists have now doubled the odds of asteroid 2024 YR4 colliding with Earth in 2032. But that's not all. There's also a small chance it might crash into the Moon instead, posing potential risks to both celestial bodies. Scientists have recently doubled the odds of asteroid 2024 YR4 colliding with Earth in 2032. But that's not all. New calculations suggest there's also a small chance it might crash into the Moon instead. The asteroid, measuring around 130 to 300 feet across, could release energy equivalent to 340 Hiroshima bombs if it hits the Moon. This would create a crater 2 kilometers wide and be visible from Earth. David Rankin, an operations engineer for the University of Arizona's Catalina Sky Survey, mentioned that the asteroid has a 0.3% chance of smashing into the Moon. While this might not cause a major threat, it's still a concerning possibility. The asteroid was first spotted in late December by scientists at the NASA-funded Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System Station in Chile. Initially, it had a 1.3% chance of colliding with Earth, which has now increased to 2.3%. If 2024 YR4 does impact Earth, it could cause significant damage to a large city. The possible impact sites include the Eastern Pacific Ocean, northern South America, the Atlantic Ocean, Africa, the Arabian Sea, and South Asia. Countries like China are already taking precautions by forming a planetary defense force to deal with this potential threat. While the chances of an impact are still relatively low, scientists are closely monitoring the asteroid's path and will continue to update their calculations as more data comes in.